Hi, my name is Maddy Tidwell. I'm a senior at BYU studying genetics, genomics, and biotechnology, and I'm talking about the major projects that I work on here at BYU. I play a very small role in this Edna and Wildfire project. In 2018, Spanish Fort Canyon had a lot of wildfires. For this project, we are kind of looking at how ecosystems come back to life after a huge ecological disturbance event. So we go out and sample multiple sites every week using terrestrial traps that catch flying insects. We also monitor aquatic invertebrates by going out once a month and doing kick samples, which involves waders and a net and kicking up some rocks and catching insects in a stream and putting them in little jars and then going and counting them and identifying them as well. And we monitor how many we get, what species we get, just to look at if these species are returning to the environments after like such a huge disturbance event. I definitely have developed a love for field work because of this. My mentor, Paul Franzen, has helped me a lot. I didn't really know what I wanted to do when I first joined the lab. I have been really helped by Paul in just figuring out what I want to do. And I could do so many things with animals and conservation that I just didn't know before. Another project that I'm involved in, probably the biggest one I'm in, is a conservation genomics project involving clouded leopards. There's 2 species alive today of clouded leopards, and so I'm looking at some genetic differences that exist between those 2 different species and seeing how different they are and also how endangered they are, because you can tell a lot about these species from their genes. So I'm just kind of updating their statuses in a way and finding out more about them today. The goal of my research is just to increase the information there is about these 2 species and to provide information for conservation officials and just kind of get to know them better and try to keep them around. Prospective students should think about getting involved in mentored research because you learn a lot. And you might think that if you join a lab, you'll just be doing one thing, but you could join a lab and be doing 12 things, and 12 different things, very different things. You get a lot of experience in a lot of different fields.